It's better than anything we've used before. It does the job where other your competitors, you know them, I'm not going to mention them by name, Workshare, where your competitors fail, it works. We are yet to find a document that it could not compare. Plus, you listen to us and now it compares anything to anything, different document formats, and people love that because it just makes their life easier. You don't have to convert, you don't have to do anything, you just point and click and it does it. That's it. Clean Docs is the last piece of the puzzle that we included recently. It's also a much better tool than we have ever used. It also has the added benefit of not killing other applications on the fly. As you know, it plugs into everything under the sun, more importantly in Outlook. In Outlook we have 15 different plugins. They don't play well with each other, and the cleaning tool was always a big problem.